Hello everybody, welcome to today's class on relations. Before I start relations, I want to give you an overview about Cartesian product because the concept of Cartesian product is required to understand relation. Now what is a Cartesian product? Cartesian product is a way of combining two sets to create another new set of ordered pairs. That means if A and B are two different sets, if we join these two sets, if we combine these two sets in this way, A cross B, to generate another new set which will have the set of ordered pairs. Now how will we write mathematically? Let's see. Is equal to A comma B, where A belongs to set A, capital A, and B belongs to set capital B. So we can say the first element will come from the set A and the second element B will come from the set capital B. So this is a Cartesian product. Now suppose we have A is equal to set of two elements 1 comma 2 and B is another set containing two elements P, Q. Now the Cartesian product, let's find out the Cartesian product of A cross B. So the I have two sets A and B. I am going to find out the Cartesian product A cross B, where what are the sets I will have? 1 P, it is a new set. The second one will be 1 comma Q. Next one will be 2 P, 2 Q. This is a set of Cartesian products. So here we can see the first element is coming from the set capital A and the second element is coming from the set capital B. So A cross B is a Cartesian product. Now if I write B cross A, let's see what are the elements we get. What are the sets? These are all ordered pairs because it is written by order. What is the meaning of ordered pairs? Ordered pairs means it is written in a particular order. That is, the first element will come from the first set, second element will come from the second set. That is why it is known as ordered pairs. Now B cross A, it is equal to P comma 1, P comma 2, Q comma 1, Q comma 2. So we can see that A cross B, since it is a set of ordered pairs, we can say A cross B is not equal to B cross A. So one Cartesian product of A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Let's find out the number of elements. The number of elements in set A. Let number of elements in set capital A be small n. Now if I say number of elements in set B small n. So what will be the number of elements in A cross B? In the set created by A cross B will be equal to M cross N. That means the number of elements in set A, if I write it mathematically, number of elements in set A is equal to m and number of elements in set B is equal to n. This is the mathematical representation. Now then the number of elements in set A cross B will be m cross n. I hope it is clear. The number of elements in set A cross B will be equal to m cross n. So this is the end of the module 1. Here I have discussed the Cartesian product. Now in my next module I will go to relations. Thank you everybody.